In this lecture, we'll see how we can make use of computed properties to display a given set of data in a filtered or sorted manner. So here we have a numbers collection, and it is having some values from 1 to 6. Now let's say we want to display only even numbers. What we need to do in that case is we'll be making use of v for looping, and we'll be using computed properties over here. So just after the full name property, we'll be creating one more property. Let's call it as even numbers, and here we'll be returning all those numbers which are divisible by 2 completely. So numbers.filter is what we'll be applying over here, and this is going to have a function, and we'll be passing number to that as a parameter. Now we'll be returning numbers which are completely divisible by 2. That is, the remainder is going to be 0 for those numbers. Now here we have created the computed property. Now all we need to do is display it inside a div. Let's go ahead and do that. So here we'll have UL, and we'll close that UL over here. Inside this UL we'll be including li, and we'll be calling this v4. Let's see, n in even numbers. Now even numbers is computed property over here, then printing the value n over here. That's the number that we want to print. Now let's go ahead and save this, and finally we'll be executing it now. So here you can see that only those numbers are coming up in output which are even numbers. You can also implement the same using methods. In that case, we'll be going inside the methods block, and here we'll be creating a method to retrieve even numbers from a given list. So here you can see that we have defined a function called even, and it's taking numbers as a parameter. Now here we can have the same li used. This time we'll be calling the method in this way. Even is the name of the method and numbers is the parameter. Save this now. So here we are calling the method, and numbers is the array that we have defined here. So that is going to be passed, and then it will loop through using the filter method, and it will return only those numbers which are divisible by 2 completely. Let's go ahead and check this as well in action, and there you go. The same set of results is coming here as well. This time we are making use of methods instead of computed properties. So that's how you can display filtered or sorted results in Vue.js using computed properties and methods, and then the v4 directive.